back to Nirvana Villas, where the transformation isn't just happening, it's accelerating. My name is Sandra Dupoku, a property consultant at VAR Real Estate Ghana, and I'm stepping in for Juliet for this month's update. Every corner of Nirvana is taking shape with intention, because this isn't just another development, it is a signature lifestyle in the making. Engineer Islam, everything looks good already. Can you walk us through what has been happening this month?
Okay, so this month we are concentrating the work on the plastering work,
Okay.
on the floor ceiling work,
Right.
okay, and we started to add tiles, okay, the ceramic tiles for the washrooms.
Yeah.
Okay, we are working now on the fences.
Right.
Okay, and you can see it, especially the fences between the villas.
Yeah. Right. That's a very impressive work for
Thank
just
you.
1 month.
Thank
so
you.
what should we expect next?
Much more improvement, the progress of the plastering the facades.
Okay.
Okay, and the floor ceiling work. Okay, we can make a good improvement, and we are going through the tiles.
Okay. Okay.
For the washrooms.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you
We
too.
hope that next month when we come, there's massive improvement.
Thank you for you and welcome.
Every month we bring you progress, but this pace, this precision, it's different. That is Nirvana. Bold, fast, and built for those who know how to move. See you soon.